Will your Centurion Canopy lights drain your vehicle battery? This is a question we get asked a lot, and the simple answer to this is no. Each canopy door is fitted with a microswitch, meaning that when you close the door down, the microswitch pushes in and turns the lights off. This canopy lighting kit has been set up so that if you close 2 of the doors, all of the lights will stay on until you close the last door. When you open the canopy door again, these lights will come back on to the same mode that you were using before. There are 2 lighting modes to choose from. White light. This is a bright work light and is ideal for when you're loading tools, getting gear out, or working after dark. And there's amber mode, which is better for when you're around camp and when you're cooking and relaxing, as it is a softer light and attracts less insects. Every Centurion Canopy comes standard with an interior light, which is mounted on the inside of the rear door. If you want to include this lighting upgrade in your current Mark IV Centurion Canopy, this can be wired into your existing wiring loom. This can be ordered through the website, or you can reach out to our team and we'll get this arranged for you.